Hello, I'm Brian, and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm in Clarence, Missouri, at a gas station time has forgotten. Lyle's gas station. Let's go check it out. My understanding is when Lyle Van Houten retired, rather than tear down the station, he decided to make a little museum out of it. Oh, ma'am, do you know if they're still open? No? Not gonna answer me? Looks like she's driving her old Ford, pulling a little trailer. Let's see, there should be things inside. And, oop, there's a car covered. Can you see close? Let's see if I can get a closer look. Ah, we see inside. I'm guessing that car is something that's being saved. Wow, it's pretty neat looking in there. Like a gas station of yesteryear. Pretty cool. Let's go look over in this window. Oops. Oh yeah, very cool. Lawnmower in there. Very cool. Let's get. Sometimes you gotta move to a different window. I wonder if they're open. Probably not. There's the office. That's pretty neat. Can't really go inside, which kind of stinks, but still pretty cool. And the history of the station. Oh, something's inside. There's a lot of cool memorabilia in here. It's actually very cool inside. Very cool. Looks like Lyle was a Ford fan. Sir, do you know how to find St. Louis from here? I seem to be lost. Not gonna answer? Everybody's so rude here. The inside of that truck's pretty cool looking. Looks like this was his service truck. It's in pretty nice shape for a service truck. Little gold wing. It's been around a little bit. I thought we were out in the middle of nowhere. And that theft would not be a problem, but clearly he was worried about that. Uh-oh. The Popo's here. Ooh. Ford-O-Matic. The Clarence Police Department. Handcuffs are hanging from the rearview mirror. Or handcuff. And the police department hard at work. Can't quite see. I do believe this might actually be an actual police car. Oh. We have a Mercury. I do believe. Sir, your tags are expired. Where are you headed? St. Louis? Cool. Are you going to check out the arch? Oh yeah, everybody always checks out the arch. It's the place to see. Ooh, a Ford Galaxy. It's a taxi cab. I don't know. Can you give me a lift? I don't know about his driving skills. Or her driving skills. The passenger looks like he's been in there a while. I'm not sure this taxi's going anywhere. But these, what are these people? What, chimps? Well, if no one's gonna give me a hand, I guess I'm gonna have to call for help. That's not a payphone. What's really nice about this site, it's historic. Hopefully that means that it won't go anywhere for a while, forever. Let's check out the gas pumps. I think I'll have some regular gasoline. How much is it going to cost me? 31 cents? That's highway robbery. Well, alright. Since it is full service. Would you put some air in my tires too? Oh, this is the premium. Ooh, let's go for the good stuff. Well, I don't know. That's a few cents more. 36 cents a gallon? Seems kind of high. I've never heard of that brand of gasoline. MFA. Anybody out there have heard of it? This kind of reminds me of my childhood. You pull in, you hear ding ding, then they'd fill the gas up for you. Where are these fine folks driving? Looks like another Ford. They're from California. Yeah. Where are you folks headed? You from San Diego? Well, it's been a while since I've been there. It's a fun place. Look how that trailer hitch is fastened right to the bumper. Can't do that no more. Hey, this has got the same paint job my dad said he put on his first car. See the brush marks? Hey ma'am, do you need air in your tires? No? Alright, good, because you're parked in the wrong spot. You gotta be over there. Oh, looks like she's from Jersey. I could use a drink. How about a Coke? 35 cents? I think I got that. Oh wait, someone put a rock in the slot. Well, just as well. They seem to be out of Coke. And I don't think this has worked for a while. There's a spider in the opener section. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure. I will see you someplace or another. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.